Welcome to Questioner Central. Test your brain with 15 fun functional quizzes. Ready? Let's begin. Here we go. Which vitamin is citrus royalty? Is it A, C, D, or E? Can you guess this? It's vitamin C, the citrus MVP. This boosts your immune system and keeps your skin glowing. Which veggie is bursting with beta-carotene? Spinach, carrot, kale, or lettuce? I hope you like this. Time to go to the market. Carrots win. They're like orange sticks of vitamin A magic. This one's for the chefs out there. Which cooking method is actually the healthiest when it comes to veggies? Boiling, fermenting, frying, or steaming? Think you know the answer? It's steaming. This keeps all those precious nutrients in your veggies compared to the others. Okay, food lovers, which fat should you actually be reaching for in your diet? Trans fat, saturated fat, unsaturated fat, or the animal fat? Got your answer? It's unsaturated. This fat, found in avocados and nuts, is heart-healthy and keeps you feeling fab. Here's a protein-packed question for you. Which food is the true protein champion? Eggs, chicken breast, broccoli, or tofu? What's your guess? At 31 grams of protein per 100 grams, chicken breast is the king of lean protein. Think the easy round was a breeze? Stay and see if you can handle the moderate round. Ready? All right, guacamole lovers. What's the primary ingredient in this creamy dip? Cilantro, avocado, onion, or tomato? Can you guess it? It's avocado, of course. Guacamole is all about those mashed avocados. Gut health is in the house. Which food is the most common source of probiotics? Is it cheese, meat, bread, or yogurt? What's your gut feeling? It's yogurt. Yep, yogurt is packed with live bacteria that help your gut thrive. Time to spill the tea. Which tea is the strongest when it comes to caffeine? Green tea, black tea, white tea, or herbal tea? Do you know which one will wake you up? It's black tea. Black tea has the most caffeine, so it'll keep you up and alert. I need that. Which veggie is the antioxidant powerhouse of them all? Carrot, kale, broccoli, or potato? What's your antioxidant fave? It's kale. Kale's the green superhero here. Eat it and fight oxidative stress like a pro. Let's talk about omega-3s. Which food is loaded with these heart and brain-boosting fatty acids? Salmon, chicken, pork, or beef? What's your pick? It's salmon, giving your heart and brain some serious love. Yum! See if you can still tackle the difficult round. Ready? This one's for dairy lovers. Which dairy product has the highest calcium content per 100 grams? Is it cheese, yogurt, oats, or potatoes? Can you guess? It's cheese, particularly Parmesan. Yay! Another reason to indulge. Which fruit is crowned the king of fruits and is notorious for its powerful odor? Mango, durian, pineapple, or banana? Do you know which one you can smell from a mile away? Durian. It takes the crown, but beware of that smell. It's very intriguing. Gout flare-ups got you down? Which fruit is your best weapon? Cherries, apples, oranges, or grapes? Take a guess. It's cherries. They are packed with anthocyanins, so keep cherries on top, okay? Here's a veggie challenge. Which one's the fiber superstar? Broccoli, sweet potatoes, artichokes, or lettuce? Got your answer? Can you guess this? Artichokes. They have around 9.6 grams of fiber per cup. Just don't choke, okay? Let's talk rice. Which one has the highest nutritional value? White rice, brown rice, jasmine rice, or basmati rice? What do you think? It's brown rice. Say goodbye to plain white rice and hello to healthier options. Here's some bonus. Which nutrient in bananas helps prevent those pesky cramps? Is it calcium, potassium, iron, or magnesium? Can you guess? Think you got the bonus question? Share your score and prove it in the comments. Do you want more fun, functional quizzes? Please like, comment, and subscribe to Questioner Central for more. Check out the channel and share with friends, even your frenemies if you want. Thanks for watching.